Good morning to my dear students. Welcome back to Atma Green School, Jaya Swami Narayan. Today class 9th. We will do the revision of Economics Chapter 3, Poverty as a Challenge. Economics Chapter 3, Poverty as a Challenge. Yes, that is, poverty is a condition in which a person lacks the financial resources and essential things to enjoy minimum standards of life. It is the most difficult challenge faced by independent India. हमारे इंडिया में सबसे बड़ा क्राइसिस ये है कि पॉवर्टी बहुत ज़्यादा है. ओके, इतनी ज़्यादा है कि लोगों के पास रहने के लिए घर नहीं है. ओके, खाना नहीं है उनके पास, एक वक्त का भी खाना नहीं है. बिलो पॉवर्टी लाइन लोग बहुत हैं हमारे इंडिया में. As per the poverty report 2011-12, roughly, मतलब ये तो 11-12 की बात है, 270 million और 27 crore people in India live in poverty. This means India has the largest single concentration of poor in the world. Then there are two typical cases of poverty. देखो, एक तो poverty है जो बिल्कुल ही below poverty line है, and second poverty is कि you can say कि पढ़े लिखे होने के बावजूद भी बेरोजगार. सो एक तरह से वही ना, आमदनी जब तक नहीं आती है इंसान के पास, उनकी कुछ भी नहीं है फाइनेंशियल, तो पुअर ही हुआ ना वो बंदा. द फॉलोइंग टू केसेस शो द मेनी डिमेंशंस of poverty, including lack of proper food, shelter, health care, education, as well as clean water and sanitation. They also show a lack of a regular means of livelihood. One is urban case. See, there are examples बताए गए हैं. Urban case में Ram Saran is a daily wage laborer in a flour mill near Ranchi in Jharkhand. He earns around rupees 1,500 per month. मतलब वो एम्प्लॉय है. He supports his family of 6 persons. वो सिर्फ 1,500 में. Besides sending some money to his old parents, उसमें से वो अपने old parents को भी पैसे भेजता है. His wife Santa Devi works at a part-time maid और earn करती है 800. His elder son works और वो 300 earn करता है. Okay, none of his 4 children और बाकी उसके children हैं जो स्कूल नहीं जाते हैं. The family lives in a one-roomed rented house on the outer areas of the city. The younger children are undernourished. जो बाकी के जो उसके बच्चे हैं वो undernourished है, यानी अच्छी तरह से उन्हें nourishment वाला food नहीं मिलता है. किसी न किसी को कुछ प्रॉब्लम है. They have very few clothes and footwear and no access to health care. Okay, मतलब कि समझो उनका 2-2,500 में क्या होता है, इतनी बड़ी फैमिली, घर पे भी देना, खाना 3 वक्त का, क्या होता है. ओके, दिस इज अर्बन केस का. नाउ रूरल केस. लाखा सिंह बिलोंग्स टू अ स्मॉल विलेज नियर मेरठ इन उत्तर प्रदेश. His family does not own any land, so they do the odd jobs for big farmers. कोई भी काम करते हैं बड़े बड़े फार्मर्स के लिए, and earns ₹50 per day. Sometimes they get some food grains or other items instead of cash. Lakha Singh is not literate, and his family of 8 people lives in a kacha hut near the edge of the village. They have no access to health care. कुछ भी नहीं है उनके पास. देखो अभी ये 2 केसेस है. ओके, illustrate. They show that poverty means hunger and lack of shelter. Poverty also means lack of clean water and sanitation facilities. It also means lack of a regular job at a minimum decent level. Poor people are in a situation in which they are ill-treated at almost every place, in farms, factories, government offices, hospitals, railway stations, etc. मतलब ये महात्मा गांधी का स्टेटमेंट है इंडिया के लिए. It would be a truly independent only when the poorest of the country become free of human suffering. वे कितने लोग हैं जो किसी के अंडर सफरिंग हो रहे हैं, या वो right. Then poverty as a seen by social scientists. Then indicators for poverty: social exclusion, vulnerability, poverty line estimation in India. That is poverty line estimation in India. पता है, in India a minimum level of food requirement, that is clothing, footwear, fuel, lighting, education and medical requirements are determined for estimating the poverty line. The food requirement while estimating the poverty line is based on the desired calorie requirement. Calorie. Food items such as cereals, pulses, vegetables, milk, oil, sugar together form calorie needs. The calorie needs are different for every person depending on age, sex and the type of work. In India, the calorie requirement is 2,400 calories per person per day in rural areas and 2,100 calories per person per day in urban areas. The money value required for buying these calories requirements in terms of food grains and other items is revised periodically based on rise in prices of these goods. ਤੁਸੀਂ ਕੱਢ ਦਿਓ, ਅਮੀ ਸਟੀਲ ਚ ਕੱਢ ਦਿਓ, ਕੋਈ ਗੱਲ ਨਹੀਂ, ਸਟੀਲ ਵਾਲੇ ਚ ਕੱਢ ਦਿਓ, ਸੁੱਕ ਜਾਣਗੇ. Then what is vulnerable group? Poverty among social groups and economic categories varies widely in India. Social groups which are more vulnerable to poverty are scheduled caste and scheduled tribes. Economic groups which are more vulnerable to poverty are rural agricultural labor households and the urban casual labor households. Then you can see interstate disparities. जैसे कि द स्टेट लाइक मध्य प्रदेश, आसाम, उत्तर प्रदेश, बिहार एंड उड़ीसा, ये सब में बहुत ज़्यादा पॉवर्टी लेवल डाउन है. बिहार और उड़ीसा कंटिन्यू टू बी द 2 poorest state with the poverty ratios of 33.7 to 32.6. Rural urban poverty is also high in Odisha, मध्य प्रदेश, बिहार, उत्तर प्रदेश. फिर केरला है, आंध्र प्रदेश, तमिलनाडु, गुजरात, वेस्ट बंगाल. यहाँ पे ज़्यादा पॉवर्टी नहीं है, लोग ज़्यादा पढ़े लिखे हैं. Okay, then global poverty scenario, that is in Southeast Asia and China, there is a decline in poverty due to rapid economic growth and massive investment in human resource development. In China, the number of poor has come down from 88.3% in 1981 to 14.7% in 2008 to 0.7% in 2015. In the South Asian countries like India, Pakistan, Sri Lanka, Nepal, Bangladesh, and Bhutan, the decline has also been rapid from 34% in 2005 to 16.2% in 2013. In sub-Saharan Africa, poverty has declined from 59 to 41. मतलब थोड़ा सा अभी इम्प्रूवमेंट हो रहा है, पॉवर्टी कम हो रही है, लोग एम्प्लॉय हो रहे हैं, कुछ तो पैसा उनके पास आता है फॉर द सर्वाइवल, ओके, फॉर द मतलब खाने के लिए. It seems that poverty has also resurfaced in some of the former socialist countries like Russia, where officially it was non-existent earlier. Then what are the reasons of poverty? During the British colonial period, there was a low level of economic development. They discouraged traditional handicrafts and industrial development, reducing job opportunities and income growth. The low level of economic development persisted for many years after independence and due to population increase. Per capita income growth was low, increasing poverty. The Green Revolution improved opportunities in agriculture, but only in certain areas of the country. The growth of population increased the number of job seekers, which further led to poverty. Then that is socio-cultural traditions and economic factors lead to extra expenditure, which ultimately increases poverty. There is unequal distribution of land and other resources. That is why there are large income inequalities also. Land reforms have not been properly implemented, and lack of adequate land resources is also a reason for many people to be poor. Small farmers borrow money for seeds, fertilizers and pesticides, and later on fail to pay, with results in debt trap. This high level of indebtedness is both the cause and the effects of poverty. Then anti-poverty measures is divided into promotion of economic growth, targeted anti-poverty programs, and okay, that is anti-poverty measures. Then some important programs by Prime Minister Rozgar Yojana, Rural Employment Generation Program, स्वर्ण जयंती ग्राम स्वरोजगार योजना, प्रधानमंत्री ग्रामोदय योजना, महात्मा गांधी नेशनल रूरल एम्प्लॉयमेंट गारंटी एक्ट. That is Prime Minister Rozgar Yojana. It was launched in 1993. The aim of the program is to create self-employment opportunities for educated, unemployed youth in rural areas and small towns. They are helped in setting up small business and industries. Rural Employment Generation Program. It was launched in 1995. The aim of the program is to create self-employment opportunities in rural areas and small towns. A target for creating 25 lakh new jobs and being set for the program under the 10th 5-year plan. Swarna Jayanti Gram Swarozgar Yojana. It was launched in 1999. The program aims at bringing the assisted poor families above the poverty line by comprising them into self-help groups. Then Pradhan Mantri Gramodaya Yojana. It was launched in 2000. Under this scheme, additional central assistance is given to states. Why? For basic services like primary health, primary education, rural shelter, rural drinking water and rural electrification. Then Mahatma Gandhi National Rural Employment Guarantee Act was launched in 2005. It aims to provide 100 days of wage employment to every household to ensure livelihood security in rural areas. It also aimed at sustainable development to address the cause of drought, deforestation and soil erosion. One third of the proposed jobs under this Mangrega have been reserved for women. Or in this scheme, ये scheme में the share of SC, ST and women are 23%. SC का 23%, ST का 17% और women का 5% respectively. इसमें इनका share. And one third of the proposed job under this scheme has been reserved for women. Then we can say the challenges ahead. Poverty reduction is still a major challenge in India. Aaj bhi, it's a major challenge in India. Due to the wide differences between rural and urban areas and among different states, poverty should include not only the matter of adequate amount of food but other factors like education, healthcare, shelter, job security, gender equality, dignity and so on. They give us the concept of human poverty. Poverty reduction is expected to be lower in next 10 to 15 years. In addition to anti-poverty measures, government should focus on the following to reduce poverty. First, higher economic growth. Second, universal free elementary education. Third, decrease in population growth. Fourth, empowerment of women and weaker sections. ओके सो स्टूडेंट्स ऑलरेडी मैंने ये लेसन आपको पूरा एक्सप्लेन किया हुआ था. अगेन इट वाज अ स्मॉल रिकैप. बहुत इजी लेसन है, सिंपल है. इफ यू गो थ्रू द लेसन इजीली यू विल बी एबल टू अंडरस्टैंड. ओके वी गो टू इट्स MCQs. What causes social exclusion in society? Caste system. In rural areas, average calories required per person per day is 2400 और urban में 2100. Poverty in Kerala declined because of development of human resources. केरला में सबसे हाई लिटरेसी रेट है. According to the World Bank report 2001, which country has the largest poor population? Bangladesh. percentage of poverty in sub-Saharan Africa in 2015 was 41. What is the international poverty line? It is $1 a day. $1 a day. देखो, अगर आपको कुछ 3 to 4 सेंटेंसेस दिए हो और आपको बोले कि अरेंज द फॉलोइंग इन करेक्ट सीक्वेंस, कुछ भी दिया हो आपको, मिक्स करके 3 to 4 लाइन्स दिए एंड यू हैव टू अरेंज इट क्रॉनिकली फ्रॉम द वेरी फर्स्ट. जैसे कि पहले आता है प्राइम मिनिस्टर रोजगार योजना, उसके बाद है रूरल एम्प्लॉयमेंट जनरेशन प्रोग्राम, उसके बाद है प्रधानमंत्री ग्रामोदय योजना एंड लास्ट अनंतोदया अन्न योजना. अनंतोदया अन्न योजना. अंत्योदया अन्न योजना. ओके, अंत्योदया अन्न योजना. देन 1950 में क्या था? NSSO प्रोग्राम लॉन्च्ड ईयर 1950 और प्रोग्राम NSSO. 1993 प्रधानमंत्री रोजगार योजना. 1995 रूरल एम्प्लॉयमेंट जनरेशन प्रोग्राम और 1999 स्वर्ण जयंती ग्राम स्वरोजगार योजना. Okay, then state with the lowest poverty rate is Kerala. बहुत पॉवर्टी कम है क्योंकि बहुत सारे लिटरेट पीपल हैं. Then in 1993 the Prime Minister रोजगार योजना was launched. Hunger and lack of shelter are two main dimensions of poverty. Poverty line is an imaginary line which is used to estimate poverty in a country. It varies from one country to another country. Okay. So students, it is very easy lesson. Just go through the lesson. आपको इसमें बहुत सारे objectives, MCQs, one line answers मिलेंगे. See, anti-poverty measures include two things, that is promotion of economic growth and second, targeted anti-poverty programs. Four categories of people who are vulnerable to poverty: scheduled castes, scheduled tribes, rural agricultural labor households and urban casual labor households. Vulnerable to poverty. Okay students, so with this I wrap up my class here and hope you will read this lesson once, twice, thrice. That will be helpful for you in MCQs. Okay, and please complete your worksheet on time. Submit it either in notebook or Foolscap pages. Okay, you know when to submit it, and be thorough in your third periodic test. अच्छी तरह से आप इसकी पढ़ाई करना. Okay, so with this I wrap up my class here. Thank you to all.